Welcome back to another round of CMO Designs. I'm Chad Morris, aka CMO, and today we're going to make a hanging cedar log lantern.
Nice.
After finding a good candidate to work with, I got right to cutting down the branches with the help of my dude Gary. And then this last one right here. Damn good cutting.
Alright, let's do it.
With all the branches cut down, we got to work shaping and rounding the edges of the cuts. After I used a coarse cut saw disc on my angle grinder with the initial carving, he would come in with a disc sander to give it a finer finish. It was a lot of grinding and sanding, as you'd imagine, and there's always a lot more points from all sides that really add up as you go. But we eventually got it looking just right and went through with some wood cleaner on the parts that needed it. And though I lost the clips, I sealed it with Seal Once by Marine to help with anti-cracking, and also used a torch just slightly to blend the colors a little better between where we sanded and where we left it natural. But other than that, I added a few coats of semi-gloss lacquer to finish it up. Tying the ropes in a stylish knot and mounting them to the metal brackets. Next we started prepping all our electrical wires and drilling the holes for them.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
We spiral wrapped some nice thin white rope around the wire to give it a more stylish look, which also paired well with the suspension ropes we went with. And these suspension ropes can be interchangeable, like, you can swap it out for whatever style you want. Time to see how it turned out. Not too bad, huh? Looks quite elegant if I do say myself. Sometimes just keeping it simple is the way to go. Shout out to Gary for all the help. See you next time. You know what I'm saying?